If you need to recover your BritBox account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the BritBox login page. Go to the official BritBox website and navigate to the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or similar. Step 2. Choose alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your account information. Provide any required information such as your username or phone number associated with your account. This will help the system identify your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions provided. After entering your information, follow the on-screen instructions. If you selected phone recovery, you may receive a code via SMS to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your BritBox account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BritBox customer support for further assistance.